How to look at calculator history on Android device. What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily look at your calculator history on your Android device. So if you have been using your calculator recently a lot and you want to see your previous calculations, this is how you do it. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give our video a like and subscribe to the channel. It would help us out a lot. Alright, let's get into it. First thing first, you want to open up your calculator app on your phone. Then if you tap on this icon right here, it will change it to your scientific calculator. As you can see, it says scientific mode. And now if you tap on it, it is a unit converter. So here you have an option to convert area from acres to whatever you want on these available options. You can change length from millimeters to the nautical miles, temperature, volume, mass, data, speed, time, and tip. So these are all of the unit converters that are available on your calculator. And finally, to watch your history, you can just tap on this little clock icon right here, which will show you your entire history of your calculator. So this is pretty much it. You also have an option to clear your history, and once you clear it, it will be completely refreshed. So that is it for this video guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button and stay tuned for more.